Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Ally Invest account, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Ally Invest account, start by visiting the Ally Invest website. Click on the login button located at the top right corner of the homepage. Select New User. Activate account from the drop-down menu. Enter the email address associated with your Ally account. Next, input your account number in the required field. Click on the Continue button to proceed. You will receive a verification email to confirm your identity. Open your email and locate the message from Ally Invest. Follow the link provided in the email to reset your password. Create a new password that meets the specified security criteria. Re-enter your new password to confirm. After successful password creation, return to the Ally Invest login page. Enter your email and new password to log into your account. Once logged in, review and agree to the terms and conditions. Complete any additional verification steps as prompted. Your Ally Invest account is now activated and ready for use. Explore the platform to familiarize yourself with its features and services. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.